What is up, everyone? This is Mo Gaming here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 error SU-30746-0 for the latest PlayStation 4 update 8.52. So if you're like me and you just got the update and you did it, hopefully it went through smoothly. But if sadly you're here, it probably didn't go smoothly, and I'm going to kind of show you some quick ways what you can do to fix this error. So the first thing is, as you see from my perspective, it says installed. If for you, and you can still go to your home screen and it's not installing, delete the update file and try again. Obviously, if that still fails again, just delete the update file from your system completely, and we're going to basically try to fix this from via safe mode. So what we were going to do is we're going to make sure our PlayStation 4 is completely turned off, and we are going to essentially basically go into safe mode. This is a basically mode that you go into your PlayStation 4 where you can troubleshoot certain components from there and essentially try to get like a, I don't know, resolve it from there basically. You do need a PlayStation 4 controller. You do need a PlayStation wire to be connected, and we're going to kind of try to go through that. My wire does kind of suck, so I apologize. Sometimes I have to like figure it around a little bit more than usual to make it work, but we're going to get into it. So you got to make sure your PlayStation 4 is completely turned off. The white light on the side is not flashing, and we're going to hold the power button for about 5 to 8 seconds, and until you hear two beeps. Basically, you hear the first beep when you press it, and you hear the second beep after, like I said, 5 to 8 seconds. My PlayStation 4 is jacked up, so you don't really hear anything. I instinctively just time 5 to 8 seconds. So voila, you can see we are now in safe mode. So like I said, you need your DualShock 4 controller connected via a USB wire. Hopefully this works perfect. It worked. All right, so this is what we're going to do to essentially fix this error. You're going to want to update it from here. So you're going to click number 3, and you're going to do update using internet. What this is basically going to do is you don't need to have a USB device. You don't need to have anything. You just need to have, click on the basically update using internet. It'll literally tell you, just showing you right now as a perspective, that boom, the latest update is right there, and you can do it from there. You don't need a USB. You don't need a PC. You don't need to do that crazy stuff that, you know, you could if this obviously fails, but you don't need to do that. This will most likely fix your possible issue that you are having right there and then. So you don't have to stress about it from that point, and you should be good to go. Basically, press next. It'll reinstall it from here. Nothing will get deleted from your console. You'll have your save files. You'll have your games. You'll be good to go. You can obviously try the next method if this fails from the USB device. I have a video on that. I will leave it in the description below or the comments below. I've never done disk. I don't know what that means or how it works. So let's ignore the disk option. If for some reason these fails, it's gonna kind of suck. You could possibly go down the route of, you can try rebuilding database, then trying step number 3 again, or if all else fails, you might have to do step number 6. Worst case, which is the hardest one, which is step number 7, which is with the USB device, installing the latest software. Like basically, you're reinstalling everything. This is going to 6 and 7 is going to delete everything off your console. You obviously don't want to do that. It sucks, but that's possibly your last bet on what you might need to do to resolve this issue. So yeah, that's basically it. I wanted to make that video showing you guys you should essentially do this. Try those methods. Hopefully the update installs and you guys are good to go. But yeah, other than that, if you guys overall liked this video, please smash that like button, helps a lot. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, Mo Gaming out. Peace.